If you've lost access to your Amazon Prime account and cannot receive verification code, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Amazon sign-in page. Go to the Amazon website and click on the sign-in button. Enter your email address or mobile number associated with your account and click Continue. Step 2. Select Forgot Your Password. On the password entry page, click on the Forgot Your Password link. This will initiate the password recovery process. Step 3. Choose an alternative verification method. Since you cannot receive verification codes, look for an option that allows you to verify your identity through an alternative method, such as answering security questions or using a backup email. Step 4. Follow the instructions. Follow the on-screen instructions based on the verification method you selected. If you choose security questions, answer them accurately. If you opt for backup email, check that email for recovery instructions. Step 5. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and confirm it. After resetting your password, you should be able to log into your Amazon Prime account. If you continue to experience issues, consider contacting Amazon customer support for further assistance. They can help you recover your account using additional verification methods.